I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the toolkit runs reliably. Check OS and available disk space and install Python 3.9 plus pip. This prevents version conflicts. Once done, clone the Msmg repository and verify the checksum to ensure integrity, then extract files into a clean working folder. Make sure to run dependency installs now, because missing packages later will interrupt the workflow. Now that prerequisites are settled, you're ready to open the toolkit and execute the first command to initialize the environment. You now move into the heart of the process, initializing the workspace with Msmg in it and creating a minimal config. JSON that points to your data and output folders. Once configured, import your dataset using Msmg import and explicitly specify the source path and format to avoid parsing errors. After data is loaded, execute the pipeline in stages with Msmg run stage 1. 3. This lets you isolate failures. While it runs, watch the log stream for warnings and adjust config parameters if performance or memory usage spikes. You finish by validating outputs using Msmg validate, which compares.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.